Got a PDF you want to tweak but don't know how to edit in Photoshop? Don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to edit a PDF using Photoshop step by step. Super simple, no confusion. To open your PDF, just drag it into Photoshop. A dialog box will pop up. Choose Crop to Artbox and set the mode to RGB. Hit OK and your PDF will be ready to edit. Here we have a resume file. We need to change the image and tweak some text. First, select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and draw a circular shape around the image, keeping it the same size as the original. Once done, import the new image you want to use. Adjust it, then right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Your new image will now fit perfectly inside the circle. Here's the before and after. Now, let's make some changes to the text. Select the Type tool from the toolbar and type in the new text you want to add. Adjust the text size and place it over the text you want to replace. Choose a font that best matches the original. Here, we'll use Poppins. To remove the text beneath, first duplicate the PDF layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Then select the Patch tool from the toolbar. Make a selection around the old text and replace it with an empty area. Similarly, you can make changes to any other text. Let's update this one as well. And that's it. You just learned how to edit a PDF in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.